Did you hear? What did he say? He told me everything. He said that he loved me. He said I love you. He said that he needed me. He said I need you. She told me she was working late. She said that she couldn't wait. I am happy becomes she was happy. I will go becomes he would go snappy. Reported speech, take a step back. Put the past into the track. Present simple to past simple change. It sounds a little bit strange. He said he had been to France. She said she wanted to dance. I'm living here becomes he said he was living there. I can fly becomes he said he could fly in the air. I had finished becomes she said she had finished. The direct meaning is not diminished. They told us they would come on Sunday. He said he had seen her on Monday. Monday. Reported speech, take a step back. Put the past into the track. Present simple to past simple change. It sounds a little bit strange. He said he had been to France. She said she wanted to dance. Tell me, say to me. He told me that, he said that. Don't say, he said me. Say he said to me. Or just, he said that. He said. He said that it was over. She told me she was free. He said, she said, gossip. Dance, pop, Lady Gaga or Dua Lipa.